All right. We're starting back up again from where you left off. So, you're going to try to find the required courses for secondary ed chemistry.
I think I'm going to click on this little link talking about the secondary ed program that's third in the nation.
Okay. Oh.
Raising the bar on teacher prep.
Took you to a separate website.
Start your search. How we graded. Oh, so there's like a teacher prep review. This just kind of describes their programs. I don't think this is going to help me.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I can't remember why I even went here, but okay, so I'm under teacher education.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I'm gonna go back to academics probably.
Okay.
Maybe I'll go do departments instead of majors, minors, and programs.
Okay.
Try to find. Okay, College of Education. Well, trying to see the different things.
Okay.
Teacher Education, Science and Mathematics. So maybe I'll click on that one. Oh, yeah, the Science and Mathematics Education Institute.
Okay.
I'm trying to find anything about classes, which it doesn't really seem to have. Wow. I don't know.
Okay.
I think I'll click academics this time, just because I'm not. I have no idea.
Okay.
No. I don't remember what was here last time. So, teacher education.
What are you looking at?
Well, it looks like I would click secondary ed again. Well, no. I don't understand why it circles me around like this.
Okay.
I really don't know where else I would go. This is what I would do.
Okay.
I would honestly contact them and ask them at this point.
Okay. I think we'll go ahead and move on to the next scenario. College is an expensive endeavor, and you're trying to figure out how much money you're going to need to be able to attend. Find out how much tuition costs at Fort Hays State.
I think I'll look at admissions. Trying to find anything about. Okay, so tuition and aid.
Okay.
So I'm looking for how much tuition costs. So.
Okay.
There you go.
Looks like you found it. All right. Next scenario. You've been accepted into Fort Hays State, and you are now in your first semester. You got your first exam back in one of your classes, and it didn't go so well. You wonder if you should maybe try the class during the next semester. Find out what the last day you could drop the class and still get 100% refund.
So now I'm trying to think where I would go if I was a student. So I might click students or on.
Okay.
Well, yeah. I'll just see where that goes.
Okay, what are you looking at? What are you thinking?
Trying to think where I would go if I was a student. But
What are you looking for?
I don't even know where it would be. I would look for some kind of calendar or
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm just trying things.
Okay.
Maybe student resources.
Okay.
No. So, I don't know. Academic. I'm going to look.
Okay.
It's helpful that it has all these things so I don't have to click into it.
Yeah.
Because I really don't know what I'm looking at. I might look at the calendar.
Okay.
Academic advising. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to look at this semester and see if it's just on there.
Okay.
Okay. February 4th is
Looks
the
like you
final
found
day.
it. Good job.
Oh, God.
All right. The final scenario. As a recently accepted student, you find out early on that being able to check your email and grades on Blackboard, your grades on Blackboard and your student email is an essential skill. With the following username and password, find your way into Blackboard to see the grades for your classes, and then find your way to then see if you have any new mail on your student email account.
So I was under student resources where I saw all that stuff. So I need to go to Blackboard
Okay.
to check grades.
Okay.
Courses.
All right.
Nonsense tools.
What are you looking for?
Grades. Oh, my grades. I never used Blackboard before.
Okay. All right.
Oh, and now I need to look at email.
How to find your way into the email system?
Probably not in here. But I don't know. I think we'll go back where I started. Oh, I don't know.
Okay.
Send email. Yeah. Okay. Well,
Okay.
I'll just click on Gmail.
Oh, you need to log in. Alright, you done found it.
Cool.
Okay. Let me record that. Alright. Now that we're finished with the scenarios, I would like to take time at the end to ask your general evaluation about the ease of use and effectiveness of this website. Additionally, do you have any suggestions for how this website could be better from the user's perspective? How was it? Basically, how user friendly was it? How effective was this website laid out for a lay person to find all the things I asked for? And do you have any suggestions on how this could be better for people like you?
I don't know. When I have problems, sometimes it's because I just can't think of what words to search or what words to look for.
Yeah.
Like with the courses that you'd have to take, sometimes I can't think of what to look for.
Yeah.
Which is hard when you're tired, I guess.
Yeah.
Sometimes I feel like the more ways there are to get to something could make it more confusing. Yeah. Although obviously it's convenient to have multiple ways to get somewhere.
Okay.
So for me, I almost do better if there's only one way to get to something.
Okay.
Because I felt like I was clicking on students, and then it would take me to a bunch of different things, and then I click on another link that I've already been to. Mm-hmm. So it almost makes me think like I was going to click on something different, but then it would take me to something I've already been to.
Yeah.
So I found that frustrating, like I'm hitting a bunch of dead ends. So I feel like I would waste less time if there was more streamlined ways to get to everything.
Okay.
Instead of all these different links that actually end up being the same thing.
Okay. Okay. So the suggestion you're saying is that there could be more. There doesn't have to be as many ways to get to something. Were things mapped out clearly for you, or did you have trouble with
that? Mapped out. I mean, I liked that there was the student tab and other tabs.
Okay.
I mean, I found I had trouble finding things, so.
Okay. All right. Okay, that's good. Now that we're done, do you have any questions for me?
No.
Okay. Thanks for your time. I'm going to just ask you to fill out a survey, rate a few things for me, but thanks for your time.